What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is GT and today we're going to do an experiment with our test fender and spraying some ghost pigments over it. This was suggested by one of my viewers. One of you guys said, what if we mix all the ghost pigments combined and spray them, see what comes out? And that is actually a great idea. I've never done that. I don't know what's going to come out, but we have some ghost pigments that we can try. So let's check it out. So right here I have a few colors. So I have ghost red, I have ghost blue, ghost gold, ghost violet, and ghost green. So we're gonna go ahead and mix all these together and spray them over our base. So at this moment I have my test fender. This is the last experiment that we did, which was just a white base and then ghost green. So over the black, you can see that, the interference pigment just turns the black into the color green. But over the white, it gives you an effect. Right now it's already sanded, so we can't see it. So what I'm gonna do is just spray the test fender, just half and half. Half white, half black. And then we'll mix all the ghost colors that we have and see what comes out over white and over black. So they're interference pigments, meaning they look white, the powder, but they are translucent. So any color you spray them over, you can't see the actual pigment. But if you spray it over the white, it doesn't dirty your white. It just gives you the color of what it's supposed to show. Just an effect. When the sun hits it, it gives you that beautiful effect of the color. But if you spray it over a medium to dark base, like a gray, dark gray to a black, black will give you the most visible color because, like I said, it's translucent in the inner coat or in the clear coat. But once you add it over the black, it immediately gives you the color. So that's what we're gonna do. Mix all the colors, see what comes out over white and over black. So let me go ahead and set you guys up. It's already sanded. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the white. One final thing, I'm using just a regular mask. I accidentally broke mine. Alright guys, so this is the base coats, black and white, just divided through the middle. Next we're going to go ahead and just mix up some inner coat and all the pigments together. Okay, so for the inner coat, I'm using Auto Paint HQ inner coat. This one reduces on a 1:1. Okay, so here I have the ghost colors, red, violet, gold, blue, and green. So I'm going to go ahead and just use this little teaspoon, little gram spoon, and just get one of these spoons of each color, but I'm gonna grab like just a pretty decent size like that. So we'll start with green. And all these colors, they might not look like a whole lot in here. There goes the green. Next we're going to add the blue. That's blue and green so far. Next, gold. Right now, I'll mix this all correctly. Ghost violet. Look at that violet. That's beautiful. Violet and blue are some of my favorite ghost colors. So far. And last one is the red. Ghost red. So let me go ahead and mix this right, and then I'll show you before adding it to the spray gun. Okay, here it is. All the colors mixed up. This is what it looks like. It doesn't look like much right here, but it has all the ghost colors, which is ghost gold, blue, violet, red, and green. So from here, this is a PPS cup. So the only thing I need to do is just get the filter, clip it on top, get the nut for the cup, just tighten it just a bit, and then I'll get my spray gun and use the adapter and twist it on there. I also want to say that this is not a $700 spray gun. This is the Warita LVOP. It's an MP500, and it's actually $40. So I actually found this one on Temu, which has been a great gun. The only thing is the 3M airflow control valve, but great gun. PPS adapter, PPS cups, and let's go ahead and spray. Okay, this is not what I was expecting. Very interesting. So far, first coat. White, and we'll see something going on. But on the black, which we expect the most color change, it looks charcoal. Like a gray gunmetal. Interesting. But this is just the first coat. Let's continue. All right, second coat. So the black is still looking gunmetal. like a charcoal gray. The white, well, it's an interference pigment, so it's supposed to give us an effect. We'll see after we add the clear. This is barely the second coat. We have some paint on there as it looks. I still have more on the gun, so I'm just gonna finish spraying it, and then I'll get back to you guys once I am ready for the clear. Lastly is the clear coat by U-POL. Alright, so you guys ready? Because I don't think this is what you guys were expecting. Check this out. I have no idea why we got a gray. This looks like gunmetal charcoal gray. And on the white, it looks white. I mean, obviously it's white. But there's just a bit of some metallic to it. The white base that I sprayed didn't have any type of like metallic. This looks like a pearl white, but I actually don't see any color. Like over here I see the gray, but I don't see anything shifting into any other color. Blue, green, red, gold. It's a little bit drizzling. But not direct sunlight. Yep, so I don't see anything special about mixing all the ghost colors together. We came up with gray, but if you wanted gray, I think just buy a gray base coat. It looks just like charcoal. You know, like it does have just like a little bit of metallic to it, just a little bit, but nah. Just stick to one ghost pearl color at a time. You know, whatever it is you choose, gray. I mean, like the blue, personal favorite. Like this gray is perfect to add a single ghost color over it, because this is like a medium base. It's like not light, not black, is like a medium base gray. So I think I'm gonna use this fender. On the next video I'll spray another pigment over it using these colors, the white and the gray. If anything, I'll use a regular basic pearl to show you guys what happens when you use regular basic pearls over a white. See how dirty it gets. And then the gray, because I think a lot of people have gray cars. Those are the most common colors: white, gray, black. You know, there's red, blue cars, but like these are the most common colors, which are, you know, very, very common. But yep, there's the fender. Let me know what you guys think about it. Check out the other videos, subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in any pearls, pigments, mica powders, you know, flakes, color shifts, you know, glow in the darks, neons, stuff like that. Check out the Eye Candy Pigment website, and be sure to use the code GT's Performance and you guys will save 15%. So that's gonna be it for this video. You know, it was interesting to try out all the ghost pearls, and it's also interesting to see that the effect was, I guess, not as expected. Or maybe some of you guys expected it, but, you know, desired? Let me know. So that's going to be it for today. Peace out.